of silver. You put them on here and you can actually get a weight and see where they're at. That's how you can get troy ounces. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a pocket scale. It does weights for grams and things of that nature. I needed a new pocket scale, and this is a really interesting scale. I like it doing an unboxing, quick review. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to calibrate it, most importantly. Now this weighs in diamond weight. It does diamond weight, troy ounces, carat weight for like gemstones, grain, ounces, and grams. That's the sizes it does. If you don't use it after 180 seconds, it shuts down, things like that. It has a lot of good features. It's a really popular one that I've seen online for this because my scale died out. So we'll take this out and let's take a look what it is. It's small and compact. I like it. It seems to be well built. The instructions seem pretty easy. Very, very simple instructions. And also, it's interesting, it also has a weight. Now this is a very important component of this because you can actually calibrate the scale, which I find that really, really cool. I like that quite a bit. I think it's a great feature. What you do is you calibrate it with this 100-gram weight. You can see here it says 100 grams, and you actually calibrate it, and it actually tells you when you calibrate it that every time it goes on, it'll rebalance itself to that calibration mode, which I really like that quite a bit. Now, another really cool feature about the scale that it did come with the batteries. Now, that's a really good, even though they're cheap batteries. Let me show you right here. And they came with batteries. They're not the highest quality batteries, but you know what? Batteries are batteries, and that's good. And that's a win in my book. So at least it starts out. You can use it right away, and then replace batteries as needed. Now it has a cover on it. You just press this button here to access it, and that's how you open it up like that. It's very, very simple. Now it does have a quick user guide right here to tell you how to toggle through the different weight measurements, which I find that really good. A simple tier button, a mode button, and an on and off button. Now it's got a lighted LED. We'll take a look at that in a second. So it's really good for weighing all types of things. But I'm going to just show you how to turn it on. So basically, you turn it on like that. You can see how it lights up, right? That's really, that's like that. So that's all set up. So I don't know if you can see this. I already calibrated, but I'm going to show you how to calibrate it. Every time you turn it on and calibrate it, I can get it to do it right here. See that in the bottom left right here? Well, right there. Right there is like, that tells you it's been calibrated. That means this weight was on it, that's what it's signifying, which I find that very cool. So once you see that, you know it's calibrated. Put it over here again. This is 100 grams. Let's see if it's still in calibration mode. That should be exactly 100. You can see it is exactly 100 grams. So it is calibrated. So it does all different times. This is all set for grams. And here's a gold ring I have. Let me just show you what that weighs. And it tells you it's 5.71 grams. So it's a little bit more specific, really more detail to the weight. Some scales just give you 5.7. This will give you 5.71, 7.5. It'll really get into the nuances of weights, so you'll know exactly what you're dealing with. Put another ring on here. Now we have 10.45 exactly. So 4.3. Okay, you can see how it just kind of really it really just breaks it right down, which I like that. It really works really, really well. I want to show you how to go over the modes so you can see how you do it. So put the on button here. Make sure it goes on and calibrates. Get it all set up to go. And you can change the modes just by hitting the mode. So I showed you how to calibrate it by hitting the mode button, but also how you change the different configurations, the different settings of the weights. Just tap the mode button. You can see it goes to ounce, it goes to grams, it goes to carat weight, and so on. So you can just see that this goes to troy ounces. So this is on troy ounces. Let's say I want to weigh something that's a troy ounce, say half dollar coins. These are silver. You put them on here and you can actually get a weight and see where they're at. That's how you can get troy ounces. There's a different one here, so you get an idea how you just cycle through those different modes. Really, really easy. So if you want to do any mode at all, just keep going back and keep cycling through until you're back on grams, which is the most popular that I use all the time, and that's how you cycle through the modes. So how do you calibrate it? So it says press the mode key until the displays calibrate. So now we're going to press the mode key until we see calibrate. Now it says make sure nothing on the platform, press mode key and set the 0 point. Press mode key, hit 0 point. Okay. Display the 1000. Okay. Place the required weight on it. It says like that. Place the required weight on the center of the platform. And now it says pass. That's how you do it. Now that is totally calibrated. Again, there's that little dot I was telling you about. It's back. And that's all you have to do to calibrate the scale. It is super easy to use. It's very intuitive. You can shut it off and on if you want to. It's small, compact, and absolutely lightweight. So I'm definitely going to recommend this. I'm going to give it definitely a 5 out of 5 so far. I made it out of plastic, so it's not metal. It's not those triple beam old-fashioned scales, which are disastrous. They're hard to do. This is a nice scale, and I'll just give you a quick measurement before we wrap this up. It is 5 inches. by 3, and it is only 3/4 inches thick. So that's what I have for you guys. So I'll go ahead, I'll leave a link at the video over here. There's also a QR code. You can go ahead and scan that if you're watching this on your mobile or at home. You go ahead and just scan that with your mobile device. It'll bring it up. Also a link down below in the field. I do get a small commission, and it costs you nothing at all for that. It just helps support my channel. So all the reviews I do are on my own opinion, my own thoughts, and I've been playing with this all weekend, and it seems to be no problem whatsoever. I do like it, and it works exactly as intended, and actually very reasonably priced. The prices vary all the time, but check out the sales. There's always something going on, and for the price point, it's a great investment. So I appreciate your time as always. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this review. I do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Hopefully I brought you some value, some help, because of real value, real reviews with real values. That's what we're doing on this channel to help when you're shopping online and you want to know about something. This is what the channel is all about, to teach you about all these kind of products so you can shop confidently. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like and share, like I said, and follow this channel for more. I appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.